Hello children, I hope all of you solved the remaining problems from exercise 7.1, right? So today we are going to see our next topic, new topic, that is transversal. Okay? So what do you mean by transversal? We'll see here. I'll draw any two lines over here. Suppose this is line L and this is line M, and one more line I will draw which is intersecting the remaining two lines. See, this is line L. Okay, this line L, I'm saying that this line N is called as a transversal of line L and M. So what do you mean by transversal? So transversal, see, this transversal is a line that cuts two or more lines into two or more points. Such type of line is said to be a transversal. Again I repeat, a transversal is a line that cuts or intersects two or more lines. Now it is not necessary that every time two lines will be there. Three lines also you can draw. Okay, so a transversal is a line that cuts two or more lines at two or more points. Got it? So here line N is a transversal. Clear? Line N is a transversal to line L and M, okay, at point A and B respectively. So I hope all of you understood the concept of transversal, which line is said to be a transversal. Okay, now we'll see the next topic, that is angles formed by a transversal. See here in this figure, here because of this transversal, here four angles are formed at point A, and similarly at point B here also four angles are formed. Okay, these are four angles formed around point A, and at point B here also four angles are formed. Okay, so what are the names of these angles we are going to see. What these angles are called as. Okay, we'll see. Again I will draw the same diagram. See here, I will draw again this line. Suppose this is line L, this is our line M, and this is our transversal N. Okay, now again here because of this point of intersections we are getting here four angles and here four angles. So we'll name them. First we'll number them. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5, 6, 7, 8. So here total 8 angles are formed, right? So we'll see what these angles are called. Okay, so we'll see first interior angles. So which angles are said to be interior angles? Interior, see, interior means which are lying inside. So here you can see this angle 3, 4, 5, 6, all these are lying inside. But which angles are said to be interior angles? The angles enclosed in the interior of two lines on the same side of the transversal. Got it? On the same side of the transversal are the interior angles. Means what here, see, this angle 3 and angle 6, these are said to be interior angles, or angle 4 and angle 5, these are said to be interior angles. Why these are said to be interior angles? Because these angles are lies on same side of the transversal. Clear? On the same side. So angle 3 and angle 6, these are interior, and angle 4 and angle 5, these are said to be interior angles. Clear? Now we'll see next one, corresponding angles. So which angles are said to be corresponding angles? The angles on the same side of lines M and L and also on the same side of the transversal N are called as corresponding angles. Got it? Means what? See here, angle 1 and angle 5. These are lying on the same side of this line, upper side, right? And on the same side of the transversal. So angle 1 and angle 5. These are said to be corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 8. These are also said to be corresponding angles because these are lying below the lines, right? And on same side of the transversal. Similarly, we can say on this side, see angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2 and angle 6. These are corresponding angles, right? And here, this angle 3 and angle 7. These are corresponding angles. So how many pairs we are getting of corresponding angles? We are getting here 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Got it? And how many pairs of interior angles we are getting? Here 2 pairs we are getting. Okay. Now I'll see the next type of angles. That is alternate or alternate interior angles. Okay, we'll see the next type is alternate angles or alternate interior angles. Now which angles are said to be alternate or alternate interior? See here, the angles in the interior and the opposite sides of the transversal N are the alternate interior angles. Means what? See here, this angle 4 and 6, where they are lying, they are interior also and they are opposite to each other. You can see over here, right? Opposite side of the transversal, right? So here 4 and 6, these angles are said to be alternate interior angles, and 5 and 3 or 3 and 5, these are also said to be an alternate interior angles. Okay, so alternate interior angles which we are getting angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 6. These 2 pairs are forming alternate interior angles. So again we are getting here 2 pairs of alternate interior angles. Clear? Now we'll see next type of angles. D one, exterior angles. Exterior angles. So which angles are said to be exterior angles? The angles in the exterior and on the same side of transversal are called exterior angles. Look at this diagram. Again I repeat, the angles in the exterior. See which are the exterior angles over here? This angle 1, 2, 7, 8. These are lying on exterior side, right? So the angles in the exterior and on the same side of the transversal, right, on left hand side and right hand side of the transversal, are called as the exterior angles. Means which angles are said to be exterior angles over here? This angle 1 and angle 8. These are said to be exterior angle, and here angle 2 and angle 7. These are said to be exterior angle. Okay. So I'll write over here angle 1 and angle 8. These are forming exterior angles, and angle 2 and angle 7. These are exterior angles. So how many pairs we are getting over here of exterior angles? 2 pairs. Clear? I'll see the last type of angles, that is alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. So which angles are said to be alternate exterior angles? As we saw alternate interior, by that same way you can identify alternate exterior also. So see your diagram, which angles are said to be alternate exterior angles. See here, angle 1 and angle 7. These are said to be alternate exterior because these are lying outside, right? Exterior part, or lying on exterior part and opposite to each other. Okay, so the angles in the exterior and the opposite of the transversal N are the alternate exterior angles. That means angle 1 and angle 7, and this angle 2 and angle 8. They are forming alternate exterior angles. Clear? So I'll write the pair over here. Angle 1 and angle 7, first pair, and second pair is angle 2 and angle 8. So again here we are getting two pairs of alternate exterior angles. So these are some angles formed by a transversal. I hope all of you understood this. I'll be sending notes related to all these concepts. So please go through it, study it properly, and if you have any problem, please note it down and ask me whenever we'll meet. Thank you.